Sacred spaces. Sacred spaces mean a lot of different things to different religions, different cultures, but sacred spaces have existed throughout history, and we have been lucky enough to see just how these spaces were created. Great architecture in a time before computer drawings and blueprints meant that a learned skill was implemented. So, burial chambers are a great example of a sacred place. They are meant to hold and honor the dead. And in Ireland, there is um, a great example of a burial passageway that was constructed in about 3000 to 2500 BCE at Newgrange in Ireland. And this type of burial chamber underground was built using a corbel construction. So first, let me tell you the easiest of the um, structures was a post and lintel, which is basically it's two solid structures with one on top, making for a passageway and entrance that would lead into these burial chambers. And in Newgrange in Ireland, the what was used to construct that was called a corbel construction. And this means that they took layers of rock and stone and layered them, one longer than the one before it, and just layered them downward till they met. And this created the passageway for the underground burial chambers. So, of course, these were sacred places that they held and honored the dead. They would use antler tools to engrave some of the rock so that way the visitors can see these, designs. And the post and lintel has actually been used throughout history, the Greeks, and it's still used today. So these are the earliest examples of a form of architecture and structure that was used to create these sacred spaces for the dead to honor them. Now we use cemeteries, but then that's how they buried them. And this is the construction and the art that they used for those sacred spaces. Thank you.